Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by preparing the laptop. Plug into power and confirm battery above critical level so brightness changes aren't limited. Once done, open Settings, navigate to System then Display, or pull up Action Center and locate the 0-100% brightness slider. Make sure the Asus function key combos respond, press FN plus the brightness keys, and watch the on-screen indicator. If the keys don't show feedback, stop here and check the keyboard driver or My Asus utility before proceeding. Next, adjust controls provided by drivers and Asus software to get consistent results. Open My Asus or Asus Splendid and choose a brightness or color preset. These override simple sliders and explain why changes look different. Then open your Intel or AMD graphics control panel to disable adaptive brightness or tweak gamma if available, because automatic adjustments can fight manual settings. Also make sure the Windows power plan isn't reducing display brightness. Go into power. Finish by calibrating and securing the changes so brightness stays where you want it. Run the Windows Display Calibrator or load an ICC profile, save settings, and test across apps to confirm uniformity. Update the display and keyboard drivers in Device Manager, then reboot so firmware and utilities initialize correctly. If brightness remains stuck or jumps, make one targeted fix. Reinstall the display adapter driver and disable adaptive brightness in both Windows and the graphics control panel. That single step resolves most stuck brightness problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.